Welcome to the Golden Ladle, the home cooking channel. Let's make the instant grated mango pickle. Quick and easy and ready in 15 minutes. Heat 1 cup of gingerly oil and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they start spluttering, turn the stove off and add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Now add half a teaspoon of hing and keep it aside. As the oil cools, peel and grate 3 large mangoes. Now get the following ingredients ready. 500 grams of the grated mango, 70 grams of chili powder, 50 grams of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of mustard powder, the now warm tempered oil, and a clean and dry mixing bowl. Now add the grated mango to the mixing bowl. And add the chili powder. Now add the salt. And the mustard powder. And give it a mix. Add the warm oil. And mix thoroughly. And it's done. Super tangy and super delicious. Subscribe to the channel if you like the recipe, and thanks for watching. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.